beautiful souls, welcome back. Today I was called to do a love reading since it's Valentine's Day. So let's see what is coming for you in love today. For this year, 2026, what is coming for you in love? Uh, there's a balance coming in your love life. Someone, there's too much of noise in the background. I hope you don't mind. So yes, I'm sorry. So in this your love life will be balanced. Uh, you are a star. Wow, and the karma will be served. In case if there was injustice, oh, beautiful. If in case there was injustice in your love life, I mean someone did injustice to you, तो वो ठीक होगा. वो God will take care of that. God will do justice to you, and someone is very passionate about it. And I think, I don't know why this separation situation comes all the time, but someone is coming towards you with passion. I think this is someone whom you're not talking to or you're not in contact with, but they are coming. They want to come towards you. They are very passionate about you. They are just so they want to come to you so badly, and they will come very soon to you. And this is a wish fulfillment card. See this 9 of cups, if you can see it. So all your wishes, your manifestations will be fulfilled this year in love. And you remember, you are a star, and to them you are a star. They've put you on a pedestal. So let's see what next is coming. Okay. And someone who has his own business, this person involved in the situation has their own business, and they want to come and tell you the truth about the situation. Earlier, whatever happened between you two, maybe you must have had a fight or some arguments, or you're not talking. Maybe there was a third party involved in the situation, and they chose the third party instead of you, and they want to give you a clarity about that. Why did they do that? Why did they choose a third party? So third party can be their family, their work. So it's not always a love relation. It can be work or family as well. And earlier they were very manipulative with you. They were playing mind games with you. They were doing all sorts of things to get your attention. And now it is going to change. They want to change. They want to give you the truth. They want to give you the clarity. And they were very they've had sleepless nights over this. उन्होंने मतलब उनको नींद नहीं आती रात को. वो सोचते रहते हैं, उनको एंजाइटी होती है. वो आपके बारे में सोचते हैं, आपके रिलेशनशिप के बारे में सोचते हैं. वो ये सोचते हैं कि उसको किस तरह से हील किया जाए, किस तरह से उसको सही किया जाए जो गलत उन्होंने किया. दे आर फीलिंग गिल्टी अबाउट इट, एंड दे वांट टू कम फॉरवर्ड. In fact, they are waiting to come towards you. Okay. They want, उनको आना है आपके पास. Yes, see this. I won't show. I don't like that. Lover's card. This is a lover's card. So you are meant to be with this person, and the divine is guiding both of you towards each other. So जो भी situation आज तक हुई है, जो भी हुआ है, that is divinely guided. So you don't need to worry. Everything is fine. And you love. This is your true love. You love each other very much. This person also loves you very much. But they caught up. वो दूसरी सारी चीज़ों में पड़ गए. Probably they are scared, and probably they have childhood. They have childhood wounds है उनके. जो चाइल्डहुड में उन्हें देखा सब कुछ, मतलब उसकी अ पर्सन इज़ नॉट बैड, बट देन उनकी जिस तरह से कंडीशनिंग हुई है उस हिसाब से वो इस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं. तो वो सारे चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमास है, वूंड्स है, उनको जो मिले हैं उसकी वजह से ये सब हुआ है. And you are meant to be with this person. This person is your soulmate, twin flame. I would say it looks like a twin flame to me. And they think you are very kind, very nurturing, very loving, and you deserve the everything that you want. You deserve everything, and they want to give you that. They have put you on a pedestal. They think there's no one like you. There's no one like you. That is what they think, and you are unique. That's what they think. एंड दे आर कमिंग विद एन ऑफर. प्रोबेबली ये इंसान है जो आपको आप दोनों मिलके कुछ काम साथ में कर सकते हैं. सो ये भी ऑफ़र आपके मतलब वो आपके ऐसा भी हो कि वो ऑफ़र करे आपको कि चलो साथ में मिलके कुछ काम करते हैं. प्रोबेबली यू हैव थॉट अबाउट इट अर्लियर, यू हैव डिस्कस दैट अर्लियर, और वो वही चीज़ वो करना चाहते हैं कि आप साथ में मिलके कुछ काम करें. ओके, व्हाट इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट? Let's see. Wow. See, 10 of Cups. This person wants to get married to you. They want to have a family with you. They want to have children with you. And if you cross the age of having children, then उनको मतलब you might merge your families together. You can adopt a child, anything. So उन्होंने earlier they had their guards on all the time. They were not being vulnerable with you, and वो लोग वो सब कुछ आपसे बात पूरा सच नहीं बता रहे थे आपको. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपसे छुपा रहे थे, जो आपको जाने का हक है, पर वो छुपा रहे थे आपसे. तो अभी उन्होंने सारा मतलब दे पुटिंग द गार्ड्स डाउन. गार्ड्स अपने नीचे कर रहे हैं वो, और वो आके आपको बताना चाहते हैं सब कुछ, जो भी सिचुएशन हुआ, जो भी सब कुछ ये सिचुएशन में हुआ, तो वो आपको क्लैरिटी भी देना चाहते हैं. सो आई विल पिक द लास्ट कार्ड नाउ. लेट्स सी. ओके, एंड दे आर वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड टुवर्ड्स इट. ये आपके रिलेशन को आगे बढ़ाने में, उसको अभी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहा है उसको दूर करने में, आपको क्लैरिटी देने में वो सोच रहे हैं. दे आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, एंड वो लोग वो आपके पर्सन ज़रूर आएंगे आपके पास, और आपकी लव लाइफ बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है. विद इन अ ईयर यू विल हैव अ वेरी वेरी गुड लव लाइफ. आपके पास सब कुछ होगा, प्यार होगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर, एंड यू विल बी वेरी फुलफिल्ड.